Guys, so as you guys know, I'm Filipino. I missed that rice, man. So I actually got some brown rice right there, and I'm going to attempt this right now if it's gonna cook. It's not technically a rice cooker, but I'm pretty sure you can cook rice in here. But I'll show you guys how it looks right after it. I hope it does come out okay. I will be cooking Spam as well right here. Yes sir, hot and spicy. So I'm gonna cook this. So this actually comes with the bowl, this silver thing right here. So it's like a deeper bowl, and it actually comes with this one as well. My girl gave me this. I thought it was a rice cooker, but it's not. But I think you can cook stuff. So I'll be using the rice cooker, the silver bowl for rice. And once that's done, I'm gonna take out the silver out, put this one in, and cook my Spam. Bam, right there. I hope it works. I didn't really bring utensils with me, but I remember my mom actually packed me just like one pair of knife and a spoon and fork, so that should work. And it also came with this. I don't know what this is, but I'll check with you guys once that's cooked, and then I'll show you guys how to cook the Spam. I'm pretty sure you guys know how to cook that, but oh well, I'm doing it in the truck, so I thought I should show you guys. All right, I'll see you in a bit. All right guys, I think my rice is cooked now. I tried it and it was a success. It's soft, it's not hard, and it's cooked. So now I'm gonna put that over there for now, and I'm gonna slice my Spam. So I'm gonna cook that next. All right, alrighty guys, so I cut my Spams. Since I actually don't have a fridge right now, I'm actually gonna cook all the Spam. Due to the fact I can't save it, and not cook it, and it just might get, it might not be good in a few days. So I might just cook it and probably put it inside of my microwave. This thing is still not connected still, so it's a mess right now, but I'll go clean up after I eat. But right now I'm really hungry, and then I can't wait until I get these Spam really cooked. What I use, like I said, my rice is over there, and there's a little, what do you call this? It's like the grill thingy. And then what I use is just a vegetable oil, non-stick. So when I cook it, it doesn't, like, the Spam doesn't stick on the thing. So let's try it. And man, I just forgot to, oh shit, I just forgot to bring like knife and stuff with me. So I actually got this at Pilot. I'm actually at Pilot right now. I have a delivery tomorrow. There you go, looking good. But yeah, I'm delivering tomorrow. The sauce right here is actually, it came with it. I actually never tried this hot and spicy. I hope it's good. I only tried the original, and I just saw this. I was like, oh, hot and spicy. I like spicy, so I grabbed it. But anyways, I got delivery tomorrow at 9 o'clock. Actually, I kind of finished this load pretty quick. I was actually gonna finish it yesterday, but my driver leader told me that I can't deliver it early, so you might as well save a couple miles for today. So I already did that. I'm already done, so I have a lot of time. So I was like, you know what, I might cook today. I might try this thing, try to cook rice and Spam. So save a little bit of money, I guess, or even not even that, just to try it out. Like, how is it like for the truck drivers that are cooking in their truck? Like, so far this is cool. I feel like I'm camping. I feel like, I'm so far from home. I can't cook at home, so I'm kind of forced to make my own food out here, and it's kind of fun. I'm not gonna lie, man. Oh shit. See, this is the problem. I don't have a, I don't want to rip it out and shit, you know. So far so good. I just have this thing on medium. I might put it a little bit higher so it can get cooked. I should probably cover this. It might go in my bed. I don't want that. And put my dirty jacket just right there. I'm not gonna wear that again, so it'll go in the laundry. But yeah, man, it's smelling really good so far. I can't wait to eat my rice. I've been craving rice. I don't know if you guys know Filipinos, man, we cannot survive without a rice. So, you know, you putting a Filipino out here in trucking, man, they're gonna die, man. They need to find out how to get a rice cooker and cook their own fucking rice. That's all I gotta say. Like, I need my rice. I can't eat anything without a rice. So, I'll just take a video once this all is cooked. It looked like it's gonna take a little bit while. So, oh, and also, guys, the trucks that at Swift, they do come with the inverter. There's an inverter right here, so that's what I'm using for now. But like I said, the ones over here for the microwave, I just don't have one. I have the 12 volt, so I'm guessing I need to get an inverter for my microwave. But yeah, man, I was thinking, like, damn, being really out here, you're like kind of forced to like learn everything yourself, you know. Right now I'm like, you know, learning how to cook. Like, this is simple stuff, but oh fuck, all right, we're good. This is simple stuff, but you know, like just things like this, like, you kind of have to like learn it yourself. It's pretty self-taught. It's not that complicated. And also, for you guys, if you guys don't know how to idle Freightliner, so I found out that if you're attached to a trailer, you can just set your trailer brake and have your tractor brake release, and that should idle. I noticed that, you know, I was able to idle pretty much anytime. It doesn't really turns off anymore at me. And a lot of these sources out there, they don't really explain it, how to make your truck idle. I couldn't really find it. None of them really works on this truck. I tried all of them, so. But yeah, man, I got plates right there. I'm just waiting until this is cooked. This looks cooked already, so I'm gonna cook the next batch. Guys, I forgot, I didn't tell you guys what kind of rice I cooked. I actually got brown rice, so that's a lot healthier choice. And for my oil, I use the vegetable oil. Also, this is another healthy choice of oil. I mean, no oil is good, but vegetable is a lot better than canola oil. And like, I don't know if you guys can see, I only put a little bit. So, all right, guys, so I actually decided to not to wait until I cook all the Spam. I'm actually just gonna eat this for now, because I'm really hungry, and this is taking a while before I get to cook all of them. So I'm actually, oh fuck, damn, I hate that. All right, let me just flip this. Ooh wee. All right, so yeah, I'm actually gonna eat this. So this is my final product, man. Like, look at this. I got Spam and some ketchup. I actually just grabbed these ketchup at the Pilot. Like I said, I'm at the truck stop. I just grabbed it because, you know, I didn't really buy ketchup yet. I forgot a lot of things. I'm gonna grab another plate because these paper plates, man, they're pretty weak. So when you're using it, usually I like to use 2 and then just put it on top of it, and then bam, and there goes my lunch. All right, guys, I'm gonna go eat. I hope you guys like that. This is my first time cooking, so I can't wait to try this, actually. Yeah, you see that? That's my leftover. I am full as shit. Like, oh dude, that was some good food. Not gonna lie, I'm down to do that again, you know, cook more rice and maybe something else next time. But I guess I got breakfast for tomorrow. See, like guys, like if you cook, you pretty much got like food anytime. That's what it's good for, you know. See, now I can just put this in my microwave and heat it up tomorrow morning before I deliver this load, and I'll be good to go, you know, without spending money. And that Spam cost me like $4 for that can, and then that rice was like I don't know, like $8 for a whole bag. So imagine the whole bag, like how long is that gonna last me? I only took like a little bit and I'm good, man. Like that saves you money. Try to keep, you know, your health pretty good. Try to keep it healthy, man. Like I know Spam wasn't good today, but you know, I just thought something like to cook something easy, you know. Next time I'll step it up. You know, stay tuned for that. But yeah, man, cook your brown rice, pick your meat, and you're good. So it's a win-win, man. So right now I gotta think how I'm gonna wash that and this. I'm mostly like you want to wash it at the terminal. I don't want to wash it at truck stop. I'm kind of embarrassed. Let me know if anybody else do that here. But as a rookie, I really don't want to be out there and just take this pot and that and clean it in the bathroom. It's kind of weird. So I might just wait until I get to Swift Terminal, one of the terminals, and I'll do it right there. But yeah, so I hope you guys like it. Please like, comment, subscribe if you guys haven't. I appreciate everybody that is supporting me throughout this journey. It's been fun so far, so no complaints. You guys have any concerns or questions, just hit me up like always and I'll reply to you. All right.